Wow, it looks like we made it. So let's wrap up the course and see what we've learned here and show you where you can get additional resources and do other things. So I have our homepage open here. Let me talk about a few of the resources that are available to you, where you want to get more information. The first one and probably most important one is the knowledge base itself. This is where you're going to have access to all of our documentation. It's fully searchable. So if you want to look for, something to do with trends, you're going to see that here, how to do each of those articles. So that's one resource that's valuable. The second one that you're going to care about is the release notes. So Transpera releases a lot of software. We do it quite quickly. We released one just a week ago. We usually do this about every 10 days or so. And always with some new features and fixes. So if you want to stay up to date and learn more about new features, you can find those there. The last two would be placing a support ticket. You can either email support@transpera.com, call us by phone, or submit a support ticket on our website. And then the last resource I'll give you is additional training. You can get to it from the support page, or you can get to it right in the knowledge base. To get training on like the designer, we have a very long deep dive course on that. Or if you're a technical person and want to learn about interfaces or the remote context server or just server management and security and things like that in general. So those are all available to you, but the main statement we'd make to you, no matter what, we're very proactive with support. We don't want you to feel like you need to poke around and find answers. So sort of our rule of thumb is if you have to spend more than 5 minutes looking around to find something, just ping us. Most likely someone's available. We'll jump on a web meeting with you. We'll solve the problem or create what you're looking to do right in front of you and show you how to do more of them and let you go on your way. So again, don't spend a bunch of time poking around if you don't have to. We're available and do that. So we learned a lot about everything to do with how the end user might experience Visual KPI, how the software looks, how to navigate it, all the big features and main use cases and all that. But it'll do whatever you want it to do. So please let us know how you get along with it. And thanks for making it all the way through this course. We'll see you on another course soon.